Alright, hello. Now this is a demonstration of how to install a 3/4 EMT connector in a 4 square box that we have mounted above a soffit area. As you can see, I've taken the 3/4 inch knockout area out of the box right here. I'm going to install this connector into this steel box. So first thing I'm going to do is take the lock nut off the connector. I'm doing this with one hand as I'm holding the video device with the other. Okay. I'm going to insert the connector into the back of the box as so, and then let me get the lock nut started. It's hard to do it holding the camera in one hand and trying to tape in the other. Alright, now I got the lock nut started. As you can see, it's now on the connector. And I'm basically just going to spin that until it tightens. There we go. Now, step up here. If you look at the back of the box, there's the connector. Right there. I'm going to take channel locks and tighten it down. These are a pair of 430 channel locks. Alright, that's nice and snug. There's a set screw right there. Momentarily we're going to go ahead and run a pipe through the wall, and we'll attach it into the connector that we just installed.